Okay guys, so the first step is done. I got a garage door opener off, disconnected. We are about to put in our new baby, half horsepower belt drive LiftMaster with the Wi-Fi option. So we're gonna connect it to the house Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to control it through your phone. To anybody who's debating what kind of garage door opener he wants to get, I just want to show you something. This garage door opener was made 07/1996. But it means that this garage door opener has been here for over actually 22 years. So if you're debating what kind of garage door opener you want to get, I always choose LiftMaster. And the oldest one I ever seen is from 1993. So that kind of helps you with your decision. So we're gonna mount this baby up. Okay guys, so we are all set. We have our LiftMaster half horsepower belt drive. We have a 10 feet long rail because we have a high lift door. Everything is in place. We have our new sensors. We have our key wall pad. Let me show you how it works. You can barely hear the motor, you only hear the door and the spring. Thank you so much guys, have a good night.
Hey, thanks Reliable Garage Door Company for coming out to my house and taking care of me. I think of it as being, they're very respectful. They came and were very respectful to me and my house. They're very reliable because they came the next day and were very efficient on getting here and taking care of my garage door. And now that it's all set, I'm feeling very safe and look forward to using my new garage.